Come test drive the 2019 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $85,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.